How does risk-based MFA enhance security? Imagine trying to get into a building. If you walk in during office hours from your usual spot, you might just need a key. But if someone shows up at midnight from a strange location, security might ask for a fingerprint or a code. That's how risk-based multi-factor authentication works. It adjusts the security checks based on how risky the login attempt seems. Instead of applying the same rules to everyone, it looks at the context. It checks things like where you're logging in from, what device you're using, and even what time it is. If everything looks normal, it might just ask for a password. But if something feels off, it can requiring extra proof, like a fingerprint or a one-time code sent to your phone. This way, it keeps your account safer without making you jump through hoops every time. Think about it this way. If your login looks typical, the system might only ask for your password. But if you're logging in from a new country or an unfamiliar device, it might ask for a fingerprint or a face scan. This layered approach makes it much harder for hackers to break in because they need to pass multiple checks that are based on the real-time situation. Even if someone steals your password, they still have to get past these extra hurdles if the system detects something suspicious. This reduces the chances of someone taking over your account. Risk-based MFA also spots unusual activity early. It notices if you're logging in at odd hours or from a different city. When it detects these signs, it can block access or ask for more verification. This helps prevent attacks like phishing or automated hacking attempts, which often relying on stolen passwords. Plus, it helps companies stay compliant with security rules that requiring strong authentication. Another big plus is how it improves user experience. If everything seems normal, you don't have to go through extra steps. This makes logging in faster and easier, especially for people working remotely or in hybrid setups. And the best part? Many systems use artificial intelligence and machine learning to get smarter over time. They learn your typical behavior and adjust risk levels accordingly, making the system more accurate and responsive. In sectors like banking, healthcare, and government, risk-based multi-factor authentication is a game changer. For example, a bank might let you log in with just a password if you're on your usual device. But if you try to access your account from abroad, it might ask for a fingerprint or send a temporary code to your phone. This way, your data stays protected without slowing you down. Overall, risk-based multi-factor authentication combines the strength of multiple security layers with smart, real-time risk assessment. It creates a flexible, effective shield that adapts to each login attempt, making it much harder for cybercriminals to succeed while keeping things simple for legitimate users.